One of the biggest challenges for anybody growing leafy greens at home is keeping the water up to them, sustaining that growth. In fact, not just doing that, but actually encouraging strong leafy growth. It's really important. Doesn't matter whether you've got lettuce or spinach, any of those ones that you're picking on a regular basis need that. The second thing that's a huge challenge is keeping the pests away, allowing you to eat your veggies before the bugs do. For a lot of people who've tried before, it doesn't matter whether you have a huge veggie garden or no veggie garden. Pests are the single biggest put-off, and it was this problem that set off a train of thought that's transformed many people's worlds. Imagine growing edibles without having to worry about regular watering or without having to worry about sharing the produce with caterpillars. Now, when I first met Simon Holloway a few years ago, his passion for Vegepod was absolutely infectious, so much so I got one for my garden, and it's been a valuable part of it. The thing I love about it the most probably is the design features. There's so many things it's got going for it, including this heavy-duty, highly resilient plastic that's recyclable, and most important, it's incredibly durable, which means it's going to last for decades. The idea with this is you fill the tray with quality soil, and in this instance, it can be potting mix with some perlite, and the plants are simply put into the surface of the soil. The trays are designed to hold moisture and to wick it back through the surface of the soil to the plant's roots. This reservoir ensures the plants have water available for up to 2 weeks at a time before a refill is necessary. Now, one of the clever things with this design is this cover. For a start, one is it protects all the plants that you'll put into the base. Means the insects can't get in and eat them before you do. The second thing is the material they've covered it with. Now, this isn't like a normal shade cloth. This is a very special grow fabric. Now, professional growers use this, and they've got the white colour for a particular reason. You see, what this does is it diffuses light, it reflects light out, and when the plants are under here, because the light's coming in and it's spread all over, you find they're broader and, I suppose, more compact in their nature. This just means that you're getting a better quality plant every single time, and it all gets down to simple little things like that. There's also an irrigation system built into the roof of the cover, and this can be set up to be an automatic watering system or run off a tap timer. Most water is held in the water well at the base of the tray, and any excess can just flow out. When it comes to the plants, there are so many you can grow. The depth allows for seeds like carrots and radish to go in, alongside seedlings like lettuce and cabbage, even tomatoes. Now, of all the clever things about Vegepod that I like the most, it's probably the fact that it actually comes on different stands, including one with wheels, which means you can wheel it around next to the barbecue or maybe next to the pizza oven or the back door near the kitchen. And that means that you're harvesting fresh, in fact, the very freshest, best produce you can get your hands on.